How working a 9-to-5 job has ruined your money mindset, and what I have learned the hard way and also the kind of fun way, especially as someone who is currently living abroad and traveling the world. And just in case it's your first time coming across any of my videos, my name is Bianca, and I show 9-to-5ers how they can leave the corporate world so they can have time freedom, financial freedom, and I also show everyday people just like you who feel like you cannot afford to travel that yes, the F you can. So hit the follow button if you have not already. You can get paid every single day. You can get paid every single day. I'm gonna say it one more time. You can get paid every single day. You don't actually have to wait around for a bi-weekly paycheck. We've been bamboozled, y'all. For more than a year now, I have made passive income every single day. Even, y'all, in my sleep, I make passive income every day. And as somebody who grew up black and broke in a world where money meant you had a job, and if you wanted more money, then you had to get another job, to be doing this now is like, you wish you can go back in time, but it doesn't matter. Everyone's journey is everyone's journey, right? And that's why I'm here now to tell you that you don't have to wait for a bi-weekly, monthly, weekly paycheck. You could be making money every single day. Number 2, money is everywhere. There are literally so many ways to make, earn, attract money from all different places you wouldn't even think about. Y'all, I have 10 different income streams, and I have a video where I go through all 10 of those income streams. If you want to go and watch that video, I highly recommend it. But y'all, money is everywhere. We have to stop thinking that money can only come from a job, right? Like, God is our source. And God never said, oh, if you want money, then you have to show up to this job on these days and do this. No. Money can come from so many different places. It's one of the things that I love talking about. I give more than 20 different income stream sources in my cash flow come up checklist. So make sure you head to the top of my page if you want to see some of those for yourself. And I literally share with y'all how I make money and all my different income streams. You have to get out of that mindset of money has to come from a job, because it does not. And if you currently have a job, cool, there's nothing wrong with that. Listen, I got a little part-time right now. I'm on my journey of making my permanent exit from the corporate world. But outside of that, I still have multiple streams of income, y'all. And that's another really big thing, is like thinking about how you can be diversifying your income. It's 2024. One stream of income is crazy. It's crazy, and it's unacceptable, especially if that stream of income is you depending on a job that probably isn't even paying you enough money to cover your bills anyway, where you're still stressing out, working check to check, making somebody else rich. And then the final thing I want to say is, who the hell gave these jobs permission to like cap our income? Now listen, if you were in sales, whatever, this video ain't for you. But for those of us who are not in sales, like this whole thing of like, this is your wage, this is your salary, you might get a bonus. Like, what the hell is that? There are people out here making hundreds and even thousands of dollars a day from their phone, y'all. I'm talking Wi-Fi money with no income cap. This is why people get so excited about digital marketing and like affiliate marketing. This is why you hear so many people talking about it. Y'all, think bigger. Think bigger. As somebody who grew up black and broke, not knowing shit about these things, and is now like, let's just say woke, for lack of a better word, I'm never turning back. Like, it's only up from here. And the journey has not been perfect. I've been bringing y'all on a lot of this journey with me. Some of y'all have already seen. It's not perfect, but y'all, it is worth it. There's nothing more empowering than making money for yourself. And again, if you have a 9-to-5 job and you like it, great, no shade. But please just understand there's so many more ways that you can be bringing in money. And if you don't like your 9-to-5 job, you can start doing things today so that you can work your way out of that job. Get my cash flow come up checklist if you have more questions.